Hello guys, I am Ero Rashidi G. Danao, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies at Wesleyan University, Philippines. And I am here to discuss to you the topic, No Sociology, for us to further understand this branch of social studies or social science.
So first, the word sociology came from the word socius, which is a Latin word meaning companion or associate, and the Greek word logos, which means to study. The definition of sociology is the study of an association, group, society, and social interaction. So what are the characteristics of sociology? First is being ethically neutral and maintains a value-free position. It simply means that when studying data, sociologists is to overcome personal biases, particularly subconscious prejudices. Second characteristic is being concerned with the study of human social life. Sociologists study people's behaviors as members of social networks and groupings such as families, work groups, organizations, communities, and societies. And the third trait is sociology is a systematic study of anything that can be examined, tested, and verified. Sociologists examine cultural patterns and interactions in society to see how they affect individuals and organizations. They also create methods for applying their findings in actual life. Now let us proceed to the 9 importance of sociology. Number 1 in the list is that factual information from research will better understand our society and other societies. Second is learn the application of scientific methods and techniques to our daily life problems. The third one is it enables us to see the connection between our personal experiences and the social forces in the bigger social world, daily which influences life. Next is it furnishes interested people and specialized sciences with principles and scientific data which they can use in their work. Fifth is sociology provides insights into the interrelationship of human beings within the group so that we may live in harmony with others. Number 6 is the results of sociological investigations provide a better background for meeting and solving problems. 7 is that the results of inquiry can help dispel popular myths, superstitions, and stereotypes with accurate knowledge about human behavior and societies. 8 is it broadens our experience as we learn to discard our prejudices and biases as we become more understanding and tolerant of the customs of other people. And lastly, results of sociological investigations are useful to government officials, community leaders, entrepreneurs, businessmen, and to many people. Let us turn now to the 7 different areas of sociology, beginning with social organizations, which include social groups, social institutions, social stratification, or the division of society into levels based on wealth or power. Next is social psychology. This is a scientific study of how people's thoughts, feelings, beliefs, intentions, and goals are constructed within a social context by the actual or imagined interaction with others. Number 3 is social change, which are the changes in human interactions and relationships that transform cultural and social institutions. Fourth is human ecology, which is the study of the interaction between human and non-human nature in different cultures. Proceeding to population and demographics, or the study of human populations, in particular their size and compositions, and how they change through fertility or births, migration, aging, and mortality or deaths. 6 is applied sociology. This is the application of sociological ideas, concepts, theories, models to address everyday problems or situations. And number 7 is sociological methods and research, in which sociologists examine the world, see a problem or interesting pattern, and set out to study it. Now let us talk about who are the known pioneers of sociology. First is Henry St. Simon, who brought the concept of society and social change. Next is Auguste Comte, who focuses on positivism on understanding the society. Third is Herbert Spencer, who uses his evolutionary theory. Karl Marx, who pointed at the capitalism issue on workers. Fifth is Emil Durkheim, who studied the role of religion in society. And Max Weber, who focused on the role of ideas in generating social structures and social class as one kind inequality in addition to status and power. Now, for our last part is the relationship of sociology and other fields. In sociology and economics, a great deal of human social behavior is economically motivated. The desire for economic gains and possession of material wealth are strong motivating forces for human behavior. Anthropology is a science which studies man, both animal and us living in society, his origins, development, distribution, social habits, and cultures, so we can see how it's related to sociology. Then, sociology makes use of data and pieces of information that are provided by historians in order to form certain generalizations about society and social interactions. Next is psychology is interested in the study of what goes within the individual. Sociology is concerned with the study of what goes on among and between people. And finally, sociologists are interested in the study of the social interactions involved in human political activities and other trending issues which are prevalent today. So that's the end, and it is now time to put emphasis on sociology as we move toward our own societies. Thank you very much.